Concept number one that we're gonna start from is basically the combination on the level of back rock, and the basic variation looks like this. Inside hook, hook on the knee. You're changing the sides by making the inside hook under your knee, straighten your leg. From that one, you're going back to the inside hook, on your knee hook, again inside hook, and straighten your leg. When you're playing with this basic concept, make sure that your hands are working as well. So just with the freestyle feeling, with the way how you feel comfortable, try to experiment and to see where your hands gonna move with every step. Like for example, you're going to the inside hook, the position of the hands might be like this. You're changing the hook, your hands might touch the floor. You're changing the hook, your hands are changed again. You're making a grab, going back, making a grab, going back, grab, and so on. So the main idea when you're working with the basic concept is to figure out how you can move inside of this box and what opportunities are open for your mind, for your body, how you can use your hands, and you have to be really comfortable with this one.